Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable the Siri voice command functionality on your MacBook device. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by left clicking on the System Preferences button down in our System dock. So go ahead and left click on that. Select the Accessibility tile. Underneath Hearing, scroll down, and then where it says Voice Control, go ahead and left click on that. Select where it says Commands. Make sure Open Siri is checkmarked in there. That's going to be how you're going to open up Siri. Select Done. And now scroll down again. Underneath General, select Siri. Enable Type to Siri. Just keep that checkmarked. Then you click the back arrow. And now if you select the Siri button on here, you want to enable Ask Siri. Select Enable. And you can improve Siri's dictation if you choose to do so. We're going to select Not Now, however you can. And then you can see you can change the voice as well as the language and the keyboard shortcut if you want to use a keyboard shortcut. Otherwise, you saw that we kept the voice feature enabled. And we click the back arrow and then accessibility. Then that should hopefully be about it, guys. There shouldn't be anything else. You can see Siri is turned on in here. So again, pretty straightforward process. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.